Hello YouTube, this is Josh with Chase the Ride. Today we're at the Colorado Springs Custom Car Motorcycle Show for the presentation of the Combat Heroes Bike Build. This is a great organization. It's having some issues today with my gimbal, some new software on that, but still wanted to share this video just because the amazing work that the Combat Heroes Bike Build org is actually doing. So let's take a look.
Profit group created to serve our severely wounded combat veterans. It's a program designed by warriors for warriors to give our heroes the freedom they once enjoyed. Many of our warriors come home with both mental and physical disabilities. For some, due to the nature of their injuries, it can be very life-altering. Motorcycling requires both a mental and physical commitment that promotes the individual's ability to overcome their newest challenges to experience life as it is meant to be lived. This program takes the warrior past the thank you for your service and enables them to show others and themselves that nothing can stop the person who wants to move on. Since 2014, the Combat Hero Bike Build has presented 11 motorcycles, and in 2020, we'll be awarding 3 bikes and a 4-wheeler. Today is the first of those 4 presentations. Before he went into the Army, Tom enjoyed owning and riding motorcycles, and he always dreamed of riding again one day. Tom tried several times after returning home, but due to his amputation, he could never find a way to successfully manage the task. And he finally decided that it was simply never going to happen. Tom, I think today may just be the day that your 50-year dream of getting back in the wind becomes reality. In fact, Tom has already made a plan to ride his new machine in the 2020 Run for the Wall from California to Washington, D.C. Tim Glass of TJ Cycles in Delta, Colorado is the builder for this project, and he donated his time and expertise to get the machine specifically fitted for Sergeant Gleason. He, along with the Brotherhood of Veterans, who you met earlier, and the Combat Hero Bike Build crew, worked together to make Tom's dream a reality. Tim Glass is a retired law enforcement officer and opened TJ Cycles in 2016. Now, because he's buried in his work, he could not be here today. But we can introduce Casey Leonard of Lux Mobile Detailing, who did the detailing on the bike. Okay, I'd like to ask Karen White and Jody Peterson of the Combat Hero Bike Build to come up here and join us on stage, please. If you will flank Sergeant Gleason. Now I'm going to also ask Bear from the Brotherhood of Veterans to come up.
Mr. Gleason, yes, it's an honor and a privilege to be standing on the stage with you today. Every biker, number one, needs a helmet. Every biker, as well, needs a vest. And Mr. Gleason, Mr. Gleason, we felt this would be pretty honorable for you to have. Oh, wow. I want to say it's an honor and privilege to help you in your 50-year dream. Thank you for everything you've done for this country. Thank you.
I want to thank you all for being here. My family's here. I got friends. My brother came in from Oregon. I got daughters from Boston. My family's here. My friends are here. you know, the American Legion's here. They've all come here to support me, and I just want to thank you. But I want to thank you for this too. I want to thank all of you. It says the Veterans Administration has taken care of me for 55 years. They've taken care of my legs and done a good job. I've had more legs than a centipede by this time, but they were always there to furnish me. And the Air Force Academy's 10th Medical has taken care of all my medical since I got out. So I want to thank all of you guys for providing that. You know, because of people like you, we have people like the 10th Medical at the Air Force Academy and the Veterans Administration. So I want to thank all of you for doing that too. 'Cause life doesn't owe me a dime. I've had a good life, and this, whatever it is under there. You know what, if you pull that blanket up and there's just a tricycle under there, I'm going to be disappointed. Can we see it yet or not?
All right, I want to get Tom Burnett, who's the commander of the Colorado Springs VFW, up here. Okay, wait a minute. You girls, Sergeant, don't go nowhere. Sergeant Gleason. Okay, Tom Burnett's the commander of the Colorado Springs VFW. Mr. Burnett is the man who nominated Tom Gleason for the Combat Hero Bike build and is responsible for the wooden flag that you just received, sir. All right, you two ladies, you and you, go down there and flank Mr. Gleason. Sir, you're going to face me and you're not going to turn around. Ladies, go down the stairs. Get a hold of him. Do not let him turn around. Okay? We're going to uncover that machine now. Hey, if you die today, it'll be a good day, man. Okay. Do not turn around. Fire that baby up. Let's hear it run. So on behalf of behalf of the Combat Hero Bike build, the Brotherhood of Veterans, and everybody who's involved in this thing, Sergeant Gleason, long overdue. We hope you like your machine, and we'll be watching you on Run for the Wall.
Did you hire an artist to do this? You guys, this is the best honoring thing I ever got. I mean, this is like, words can't describe it. Not only that, it's a work of art, you know?
So we didn't do bad.
Huh? A lot of stuff, but some that I can do close to the ground.
Thanks for watching. You'll find links below to the Combat Hero Bike Builders organization and to Sergeant Gleason's story. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. We post a new video every week, so click that subscribe button below. Help the channel grow. Also ensure that you don't miss any videos. Until next time, keep that shiny side up and chase the ride.